Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can fix insufficient storage on CapCut PC. Go to menu, go back to homepage, and then here you're going to go to the settings tab. Then go to settings again and make sure you've deleted your cache size and then press OK. It's basically going to just remove the downloads that you've downloaded. For instance, like effects, filters, and stuff like that. It won't remove your projects and like your media. And it's still going to be there. You just have to re-download it again. Then if your folder is full, you're just going to select the folder here and select another folder to save your files in. Once you're done, press save and make sure you select the auto delete cache from 15 days ago. And that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!